Today I want to talk to you about our KN-100INS cable sheathing knife. This knife features curved blade and insulated handle and is a perfect tool for slitting or cutting the sheathing from a cable. It features the following: a dual component handle that is rated to 1000 volts and is compliant with EN 6900. An ultra sharp double-sided blade that allows you to slit from either direction, meaning you can slit by pushing with the front of the blade or by pulling using the curved part of the blade. The guide shoe at the bottom of the blade helps keep the blade inside the cable as you're slitting so it doesn't pull out, and helps protect the conductors inside the cable. Lastly, comes with a safety cap and has tethering hole at the bottom of the handle. Thank you.